making threats to harm yourself with a nice taser authority in place. Hi mate, you okay? Keep nice and calm for me. Keep nice and calm. Okay? I'm officer with a taser. What I need you to do is put the knife down for me. What I need you to do is put the knife down for me. I'm filming, yeah? Your video and audio recorded. Put the knives down for me. What's that, sorry? Okay, I want you to put the knives down for me. Put the knives down for me, fella. Put the knives down for me. Okay? Okay. What I don't want you to do, I don't want you to harm yourself or anybody else. I need you to put the knives down for me. Are you going to put the knives down for me? Is there anything I can reasonably say or do, okay, that's going to help me and help you to put those knives down? What's that, sorry?
Yeah, Jack, wait a bit. It's better.
Okay. Is there anything I can reasonably say or do to make you put those knives down? Say that again. I can't take this off, but I'm happy to come in and talk with you. Okay. Okay. I need you to put the knives down for me. What's your name? What's your name, mate? Paul. Okay, I'm Ridian, okay? Paul, is there anything I can reasonably say or do to help make you put those knives down? Yeah. I'm not going to be able to do that, I'm afraid, mate, because they need to stay here for our protection, okay? The last thing I want to do is have to use anything, but if you continue to hold those knives the way you are, okay, we may be forced to use tasers. Do you understand that?
Right, okay.
Okay.
Right, wait. When I say, open the door, I need you to taser. Hang on, whoa. Get back from the door. When I say, right.
You're going to have to.
Oh, yeah, got it. Mate, step away from the door. Step away from the door. I'm not going to get anything my way.
No.
Look, mate, listen. All we need to do is put the knives down. Just put the knives down, mate. All right? What's that? Just put the knives down, pal. Come on. Let's put the knives down. All right? No. Don't come at us with knives. No, don't put us with knives. No, don't put us down with knives. I can't get a shot by it, right? Right, now. Taser! Get down! Right, hold it! One gone. Legs down. Listen. All right. Calm. Dog's fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Dog is all right. Calm down. Listen. Calm down.
Turn around for me.
Calm down. All right. Okay. You okay? Dog is fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Okay? Mate, listen. You've been tasered because you were going with yourself with a knife. Alright, mate? It's for your safety. We can't do that. Alright? Listen. 1411, no. Yeah, regarding this call to clear, mate has been tasered. You see? It's all in order. He's in custody. Knives are off him. All under control. See?